survey.
Okay.
But that is a genuine concern, though.
Okay,
Given
so then, if he's then going to go along terrorism, okay, then what section of terrorism is he going to use?
Well, we can detain you under that. I'm not saying we are going to
under
do
section
that.
43? Under section 43?
And that's a conversation that I'm not having with you now, because that's not something we consider.
Because even if you went along those lines, then this is something for you to actually consider.
Details?
No, I don't need to provide my details.
Okay. How long are you planning on staying today?
Who knows?
You don't know?
No.
Okay, well, I hope you have a good day.
And you.
Take care.
No worries. All right. Take it easy.
I wish I knew your name so I knew what to call you.
At first, this looked like nothing at all. Just a calm, routine moment outside a public building. No threat, no urgency, no sign that anything dangerous was about to happen. And yet the second authority stepped in. The tone changed, suspicion replaced, normality, and a simple encounter turned into pressure, legal threats, and a fight over. Who really understood the limits of power? So how did something this ordinary escalate into a confrontation intense enough to leave everyone exposed by the end? This is not recreation or stock footage. This is real life, captured by to plod or not to plod. Every second shown is authentic. The full, uncut source. Footage is available in the description because truth matters more than presentation.
It looks like there's two officers coming down. So, one's both plain clothes, none in uniform.
What's your name?
Pardon? Well, who are you first?
I'm a police officer.
Okay, and your collar number?
Yeah, right there.
Yep.
2247.
2247. Are you stationed here?
I am stationed.
Cool. And yourself,
Right,
please.
my name's DC Balder. I'm also stationed here. 1343.
1343.
343.
No worries, thank you.
Are we able to just step away from the gate?
No, I'm fine where I'm standing.
There's operational vehicles that have to come.
I'm actually on a bit of concrete and I'm off the
I know,
road.
but this is
isn't
private
really a
property.
footpath.
No, it's public property. Let's correct that. It's public property.
That's public property.
No,
Not there.
it's public property. Let's get that correct. The public pay for it. You are a public service. It is public property.
They come in with authority first and clarity second. That order tells you almost everything about the tone of what follows.
Private property.
No, it is not. It is public property. I'm only going exactly where I'm legally accessibly allowed. I didn't ask for any help.
Say again?
I didn't ask for any help.
Okay, but you're filming and you're filming into a police station.
Yep.
We have concerns
And
with regards to that.
well, what your concerns are and what the
Yep.
law is, okay, it's completely two different things, okay. What I'm doing, okay, is it lawful? Yes or no, sir?
Well, I'm asking you.
Is it lawful? Yes or no? What I'm doing?
Can you tell me what you're filming for?
I can
And then
film
I
what
can tell you whether it's lawful.
no. What I'm doing right now, is it lawful? Yes or no?
Well, no, not until you tell me what you're actually doing.
No, I don't have to tell you anything. I don't have to tell you anything. Okay, I'm doing a completely lawful
If you're
activity.
filming our police building for
No, I'm
terrorist
filming
reasons,
public property.
then-
This is where a camera becomes a problem, simply because it points back at power. Nothing dangerous, just unwelcome.
You know.
Okay, so for terrorism reasons, okay? Right, so what concerns do you have around that then?
Surveillance of
Okay,
police building.
right,
We have
okay, then
massive
what I would
concerns
actually
about
suggest to you then,
Yeah.
okay, is you contact the counter-terrorism team, okay, and then ask them to attend, okay? If
that.
that's
We're
what you
police
actually
officers, We
think.
can deal with you here right
Yeah?
now, to be honest.
In what
Yeah.
way? Am I being detained?
Well, not at the moment, no.
Right, well what do you
We're
mean not at the
kindly
moment?
asking you if
What do you mean
can
by
move
not
on.
at the moment? I either am or I'm not.
That's
What
I
is the
said, not
difference?
At the moment, you're not being
Okay?
detained.
Right, okay. Then I will
So
bid you
we
good
would
I will
kindly
bid
ask
you
you
good
if you could
day.
move on, please.
I don't need to move on. I
Well,
do
if
not
you're
need to
filming
move
a
on.
police building, then you're giving us grounds to.
That's not grounds.
stop you.
That's
The word terrorism changes the temperature instantly. And that's exactly why it gets used so casually in encounters that never deserved it.
not grounds, sir. Okay, that is
Well,
not grounds. Yes.
You can tell me what you want, what you think grounds are. but
Yeah?
I know-
Okay,
I know,
right.
thank you.
Here you go then. Okay.
What are you getting out of your bag? Sorry,
doesn't
can we
matter.
Step out of the way because we've got police vehicles coming
Police
through.
vehicles. If we can move, that'd be brilliant.
Yeah.
No, I'm perfectly fine where I'm standing. Okay, right. Now you know who the NPCC are, yes? I do know. You do know. Exactly. Right, there we go. Right, so this got circulated. Now you say that I don't have the right. Okay, good afternoon, madam. How are you? Could you just identify yourself as well, please?
Yeah, Detective Sergeant Mac.
Detective Sergeant?
Sergeant Mac.
Okay. And your collar number, please.
343.
You can feel the pressure building around a simple choice: move because they want it, or stand still because the law allows it. That tension is the whole story.
Thank you very much. Okay, right, there you go. Have a read of that.
What do I need to read that for?
Well, that's from the NPCC.
Okay, tell me what it means.
Okay, I know what it means. Okay,
What
you're trying to actually take this down a different road. I'm handing you a document that got circulated to every single police station. Okay, and if you don't want to take the time to read it, then I would say let me carry on about my actual lawful business. You carry on and do your job, and then we'll leave it at that. My business is doing exactly what I'm doing.
And what exactly are you doing?
I can film whatever I can see.
No one's saying you can't do...
Well, this one tried to imply otherwise.
Alright, well, I can speak to you about that. I'm not saying
Okay.
you can't do anything at the moment. I'm just trying to understand what you're doing.
Well, what does it look like I'm doing?
There's something striking about handing police their own guidance and watching it land, like an inconvenience. Not because it's unclear, because it is.
Well, I'm asking.
Come on. Let's look at it.
Smart about it. Just
No,
explain to me what
let's
you're
look
doing.
at it very simply. What am I doing?
Let's just have a conversation and tell me what you're doing.
I am. Well, if you're the actual officer.
Well, my
okay,
concern is that you're filming a police
what
building.
your concerns are and what the law is are two different things. Your concerns do not trump my legal
this
right.
is a public building and that you're allowed to film it.
Right, there we go.
My
There's no more to say on
My
that.
concerns are why you're trying to film it.
Because it's a public building and I have the right to film whatever I can see.
Okay. And how long do you plan on staying here and filming it?
Who knows? Who knows? I could be here 5 minutes, I could be here half an hour. I don't know.
Right, okay.
Couldn't tell you.
What are you hoping to achieve by filming today?
He doesn't owe them a performance of innocence. That's the part authority often struggles with most when someone knows where consent ends.
I mean, there is a concern.
Yeah, but
when
he
people
mentioned terrorism.
When survey.
Okay.
But that is a genuine concern, though,
Okay,
given the
so
current
then,
climate, when people are gonna survey
if
public
he's then
buildings
going to
such
go
as
along
this-
terrorism, okay, then what section of terrorism is he going to use?
Well, we can detain you under that. I'm not saying we are
What,
going to
under
do
section
that.
43?
But,
Under section
and that's
43?
a conversation that I'm not having with you now because that's not something we're considering.
Because
at the moment in
even
time.
if you went along those lines, then this is something for you to actually consider. If you did go down those lines, then I would ask you to make sure that if you're using section 43, that you give me the specific section from section 43 and the correct wording. Okay,
well,
as what should be
I don't
delivered.
have to give you that, but what I would say is...
You'll actually find
I'm
that you do.
listening to what you're saying.
You'll actually find that you do.
What I would ask politely... and
Once legal words have to become legal standards, the confidence starts to thin out. Suspicion sounds powerful until it has to be explained.
I'm perfectly safe where I'm standing. Okay, you're the one standing in the road, not me, sir.
I know,
okay,
but I'm standing
so if a vehicle comes out, I'm safe, you're the one at risk, not me. I haven't asked you to stand in the road. There's plenty of pavement behind me and in front of me that you could easily stand, but you're the one deciding to actually stand in the road.
You do have to understand that when vehicles are coming in and out, it's quite a large area for two vehicles.
I won't obstruct any vehicle, okay? If the vehicle mounts the pavement where I'm standing, okay, then the driver's at fault. Well, no. If the driver actually mounts the pavement and hits me, then the driver is at fault. Okay, if I'm on the pavement exactly where I'm standing. You're the one standing on the road, sir, not me.
Okay. Well, going back to the original point, what is the purpose of this video? I know you film public...
Safety is often the cleanest mask for control. It sounds protective, even when what it really protects is pride.
Recording a private conversation?
Well, you're standing in public. You're standing in public. If you want to make it private, then you need to go inside.
Not necessarily, no.
Well, yes. Okay, you're standing in public. There is no privacy in public.
No, actually, you're bordering...
No, there is no privacy in public. So you can see there, guys, what they decided to do was they decided to try and go down a number of different roads. I believe that this guy here at the back, this taller one, is going to plan on going somewhere else. So,
you're not willing to give us your details, are you?
Nope.
They want openness from him and privacy for themselves in the same public space under the same sky. That contradiction says more than the argument does.
Is there any reason you don't want to tell me?
I don't need to tell you anything.
Oh, I know, but we can have a conversation, can't we?
We can. Let's talk about whatever else. You don't have to ask me questions about where I've been. That's called fishing.
What would you like to speak about?
That's called fishing.
What am I fishing for exactly?
Okay, for information.
I'm just trying to understand what you've done.
No, you're fishing for information about where I've been, what I've been doing.
Right.
Okay, that is called fishing. Okay, if you want to talk, to me, talk about the women's, okay, actual
Talk about the sort of
football. Talk about the women's football. Yep. Okay, there's the subject for you then.
Right. What's your opinion?
Okay.
What do you want to talk about?
No, you're the one that wants the conversation.
Well, exactly, but my conversation is I want to know what you've been up.
Now the questions drift away from any clear purpose. It stops sounding like policing and starts sounding like curiosity with a badge.
Some of it, but I'm not going to read all of it today. But I understand. Well, I'm just trying to understand why you're down here and why you want to film. Really, I'm not trying to fish. I'm sorry that you feel that way, but I guess what I'm trying to understand is the interest or
as a member
the
of the public.
understanding.
As a member of the public,
yeah, of course, yeah.
I have a right to film any public service.
Yeah, I'm not denying that.
Anything I see in public.
Oh, so yeah.
Hiya, not bad.
Are you happy to provide your details today?
No, I don't need to provide my details.
Okay. How long are you planning on staying today?
Who knows?
You don't know.
No.
Okay, well, I hope you have a good day.
And you.
Take care.
No worries. All right. Take it easy.
I wish I knew your name so I knew what to call you.
Okay. You can call me sir. I'm a member of the
I
public.
call you sir.
No worries.
All right, take care, sir.
No worries. Take care.
That final refusal matters because it stays calm. No drama, no panic, just a quiet line. That power couldn't make him cross.
When, as I told you, this is Wandsworth police station. And you can see the way that it went from the actual first DC right the way through to those other 3 officers, and I just don't think that they quite understand what it is. But you can see from this station, 3 of the 4, it was all of their own personal opinion, and whatever their own personal opinion is, isn't the law. And I'm not going to accept their own personal opinion to actually trump what the law is and what my rights are. I know exactly what my rights are, and I know exactly what the law is. And as I said, now you can see from there.
And that's the part that lingers. Not the confrontation itself, but how easily personal. Discomfort tried to dress itself up as law.